Okay, Ananya, your question is you don't understand how energy is negative, and specifically how can you talk about an energy of minus 13 electron volts per atom. Okay, so the issue really is this, that when you talk about potential energy, the choice of what is zero is arbitrary. Okay, we can decide what is zero, because when you talk about potential energy, it's not the absolute level that matters, but it's the difference between 2 points. So you can define zero to be anything, but the differences will still remain the same. Okay, so that's the point. Now what we do when we talk about nuclei and electrons is this: if an atom if an electron is not under the influence of a nucleus, then it is said to be at zero potential energy. So let's understand what that means practically. Practically, let's say this is our nucleus, okay, and let's say this is our electron, okay, over here. This is case 1 and this is case 2. Case 1, case 2. When the electron is at this long distance, practically a very large distance away from the nucleus, its potential energy is zero. Okay, that's the convention. When it comes closer, then the question is what happens to energy. Yeah? Now remember, when there is a force of attraction between the nucleus, right, and the electron, always. So that's like some kind of a bond that's taking place. Yeah, some kind of a bond. Whenever this kind of a bond takes place, you know that energy gets lowered. Yeah, that's the whole idea behind bonding, that you reach a lower energy state. So at this point over here, you had high energy. You had zero energy. Now you come to this point, 2, and as you come to 2, the energy actually gets lowered. If the energy is 0 here and it's lower at this point, then it has to be a negative number. Yeah, so it's just a convention, because we define this when the electron is not under the influence of the nucleus, we define that state to be 0 energy. Therefore, anything closer where a bond has been formed and energy is lowered will be a lower energy state, and therefore negative energy. Let me know if this is clear.